Okay. Hi, my name is Diana and I am here with Ashley.
Today we're going to be teaching you how to bake a cake.
Okay, so the ingredients we will be using today for this cake, we have two different kinds of cake mix, strawberry and French vanilla.
We also have 6 eggs, 3 for each one, of course. And we have milk, oil, the frosting we're going to use, and this baking spray, I guess.
And over here we have some measuring cups, a wood spoon, this mixing tool, and 2 pans for the oven, which is where we're going to put the mixture in and the bowl. So right after putting the cake mix in the bowl, we're going to start adding the milk. Okay, so we're going to pour the milk into the flour.
Okay, now that we're finished with the milk, we will be putting 3 eggs.
Right after adding the eggs, we're going to start adding the vegetable oil. And we're going to be using a 1/3 cup. Once the flour, milk, 3 eggs, and oil is added, we're going to start mixing it up. Once everything has been mixed, we are going to start by adding the spray onto the pan to add the mixture. Let's add the mixture into the pan. Our oven is already on. It is at 350. We're letting the cake cool down for a bit, and then we're going to start by adding the frosting, which we are stirring right now. And then we have some mint right here, strawberries and blueberry. We're going to be using this bowl to put them on the cake so we could cut it in a circle.
Once we have cut the first one in a circle, we're going to do that for the next one.
We'll be adding the frosting now. Well, I will. Now that we're finished with our cake, now we put frosting on without a struggle, of course. We're gonna start adding the strawberries and blueberries as well as the mints.
So this is our final cake. Look, I think we did pretty good. What do you think?
I think we did great. It's very cute, and it tastes great. We didn't cut it, but the leftovers were good. But I hope you learned how to make a cake. We try to make it as easy as possible for you. So thank you.
Okay, thank you.
Bye. Okay.